Today on Lone Star Grillz, we're firing up El Patron for something a little different. These stuffed Portobello mushrooms will light up your taste buds and let your creativity run wild. Once again, welcome back to Lone Star Grillz, everyone. We'd like to remind you that you can support our channel by giving us a like, following us here, and leaving a comment. Today's Portobello mushroom recipe lets you get really creative, but there's a couple important things you need to know. Number one is to choose the freshest, cleanest mushrooms you can find. And number two, of course, very important, be sure to choose mushrooms that have a deep cavity. This will assure plenty of space for all your favorite ingredients. Once they're unpackaged and rinsed, use a sharp knife to clean up some of those edges. Now give them a good coating of olive oil on top and on the bottom. This will help preserve texture, flavor, and moisture throughout the cook. Now just coat both sides generously with our LSG Texas Fusion. If you don't have any, just use your favorite salt, pepper, garlic rub. And now for the fun and creative part. We're going to stuff a few of these with some chopped bell pepper, onion, garlic, and pre-cooked chopped bacon. Then add just a little bit of your favorite Greek or Italian dressing. Now just cap these with your favorite cheese. We're using cheddar and pepperjack for a little spicier version. The last three mushrooms will be a pizza version, so just fill those with some marinara sauce, then top with some provolone or mozzarella and some pepperoni. With these all ready to go, it's time to get them outside onto the smoker. Today we'll be using our Lone Star Grillz El Patron. Head over to our website for more details and to find out why we call this cooker the Swiss Army knife of barbecue. We've got it set up for indirect cooking, and we're going to be running temperatures today of 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Light up a small to medium-sized fire, adjust those vents, and once you've got your temperatures locked in, get these mushrooms on, close the lid, and let them absorb some beautiful smoke flavor. This cook will take about 30 to 45 minutes to complete, but once these mushrooms are done to your liking, you can remove them from El Patron and serve them up just the way you like. They pair really well with some wild rice and your favorite beverage. And trust us, you're gonna love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We really appreciate it. And as always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.